Hello everyone, welcome to Learn in 5 Minutes, your go-to channel for learning Microsoft Excel. In today's video, we'll look at how to use Power Query to automate data cleaning in Excel. If you deal with messy data, this tool can save you hours by cleaning your data with just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. Let's start by importing data into Power Query. First, open Excel, go to the Data tab and click Get Data. From File, from Workbook. In this case, we'll use an Excel file as our source. I've selected power underscore query underscore sample underscore data. You can select file of your choice. Once we've selected the file, Excel will open the navigator window, where we'll choose the worksheet containing the data. In this case, it is Sheet 1, and click Transform Data. This will open a new Power Query editor window. Now that we have our data in Power Query, let's clean it up. The first thing we'll do is remove any unnecessary columns. Let's say we don't need ID and Notes column. To do this, simply click on the column header, right-click, and choose Remove. You can select multiple columns by holding down the Control key and choosing more than one at a time. Next, we'll deal with any blank or null values in our data. Let's say we don't need null values in phone number. To do this, select the column, click on the drop-down arrow, uncheck null, and press OK to filter them out. Power Query also makes it easy to split data into multiple columns. For example, let's say we have full names in a single column and we want to split them into first and last names. Select the column, right-click, and choose Split Column. You can choose to split by delimiter, in this case a space. And just like that, Power Query has split the data into two separate columns. In case we need to rename the column, we can do so by right-clicking the header and click Rename. We'll rename this column as First Name and this one as Last Name. We have separate columns for city and state, and if we want to combine them into a single location column, we can do so by merging columns. We'll select both columns, right-click, and choose Merge Columns. Under Separator, we can give separator of our choice. We'll use comma here. Under New Column Name, we can give the name of the merged column as Location. Now we have our cleaned up location data. Now since we've cleaned our data, the final step is to load it back into Excel. We'll click on Close and Load at the top left of Power Query. Our clean data is now in our workbook, ready for further analysis. That's it for today's video. Using Power Query, we imported data, removed unnecessary columns, handled blank values, and even split and merged columns, all in just a few steps. Power Query is a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time by automating your data cleaning tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn in 5 Minutes for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next video.